Hey, what's going on, guys? So, I don't even know what time it is, maybe 8:30, 9 o'clock. I'm working on this front end for like 6 hours, so. But, finally done. I'll do a video on that. See the van over there, still lifted up. Gotta put the tires back on, but I want to do a video and show you guys what we did to the front end. And also show you my buddy's awesome toolbox, man. If you have a buddy and you use his tools, dude, even if he's not helping you, throw him some money. This is my buddy's toolbox. And I always think of the Fast and the Furious, you know, Vin Diesel when he tells them, if you can't find the right tool in this box, you don't need to be near a car. So this thing has all the Milwaukee stuff, any kind of screwdriver you want, any kind of wrench you'd want. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that you need to make money in the auto business, or turning wrenches anywhere. I mean, those are all just pliers and pinch off stuff, and I mean, he's got a locker full of stuff. That's his new addition, new Monster Energy drink refrigerator. So this is just his setup, man. So hopefully one day me and him will open up a shop and do kinds of projects like this. He's still here late working on this Nissan. It's got a power steering leak. He's trying to fix it for one of his buddies. So yeah, man, just wanted to give him a big thanks. He's helped me out on this van a ton and helped me use his tools and all. You know, just for letting me use his tools, I'll throw him the money. So yeah, if you got somebody that helps you out and you appreciate, man, make sure they know you appreciate them. All right, guys. So we'll get to it and show you what I got done today. So as you know, I told you I had a surprise for what I was working on, and this was it. EBC brakes. I showed you guys in one of my videos what parts I got, but I didn't show them in the video yesterday. And here's the front end. So I got those Moog springs I was telling you about. The shocks I had were too short, so a lot of time I had to run around. I actually bought shocks for a 96 F150. Downfall is the bottom bushing, where it mounts to the A-arm, or to this arm right here, the radius arm, is different. The E150 shock has a big bushing in it, and the F150 is small. So then we had to press out the bushings from the shocks I had, switch them over to the other bushings. So that took a couple hours. Well, not really a couple hours, but it just delayed me immensely. Here's my new rotors, EBC rotors, EBC pads, calipers. I just bought the remanufactured calipers. I painted them white. Hopefully they'll hold up. I'm gonna let the paint sit overnight. Kind of rushed trying to get it back together, so I'm sure there's some fingerprints in there, but hey, what you gonna do, man? That's how it goes. So yeah, my steering angles still look real nice. Looking good. Show you guys the other side. Oh, and I took the airbag hoses and everything off, so like on the last video I said, if you guys are interested, just message below. I'll get with you guys, and all that stuff for sale. So if you got an E150 you're fixing up and you want, you know, some basic stuff for it, I'll sell you that stuff real cheap. So just to get it off my hands. So here's what it looks like on the other side. EBC green stuff pads. Just didn't want to get a lot of brake dust on my rotors. All new bearings, Timken bearings, made in the USA. New calipers. I wasn't going to replace the hoses, man, but I'm just spent today, so I'll save that for another day. So let me throw some wheels on, and then I'll show you guys how it sits. Oh god, got the wheels back on. Lower this thing down. There she is, man. See my white springs, the white calipers, and sitting nice and tall. So I don't know if you guys can see, it will set a little bit, but it sits pretty dead nuts to the back. I'll grab a tape measure and see what it measures at. Alright guys, so I started at 35 inches. Like I said, it'll probably settle, but I'm right at 37. Tape measure slid, but right almost 37 to the fender. Before I was 35, so I gained almost 2 inches in the front. And then the back, I'm again just under 37, like 36 and a half. So the front end will settle a little bit since I still got preloaded on it from being on the lift. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked, man. It looks pretty badass. I mean, you could spend a ton of money. Like I said, there's nothing out there. If you guys want to message me, I'll tell you what I got for a setup on it. But sitting pretty nice. I mean, I could go 6 inches, but 2 inches in the front, 2 inches in the back on this, and it looks way better. Let me know what you guys think. I'll do another video. I got to get it aligned, all that stuff. So we'll do that next week. Get the alignment in spec. So I'm not really going to drive it much today, but as you can see, my toe is way jacked up. You can see the passenger side tire sticks way out to the right. Driver's side's towed in too. So that's just from moving that drop pitman arm and getting everything back in rack. So alright guys, so if you see that little icon pop up for the van, click that. That'll help you subscribe to the channel. And appreciate everybody watching. Gonna wrap this one up because I still gotta clean up, mop the bay, pull my van out, put tools away, all that fun stuff. And I've been at work all day, and then after I got off work I started this project. So appreciate everybody watching. And again, if you have any questions or if you want to buy any of my stock stuff, I got stock rotors that are like brand new. I think I put those on like 6-8 months ago. Calipers, pads, front shocks, struts, everything, or springs. So yeah, just hit me up and then we'll do a video on my buddy's truck. It's a 14 Sierra. He just lifted it 10 inches. This truck has come a long way. So if you follow me on Instagram, it's got a picture of before and after what it looked like. It's got the Fox shocks, different upper control arms. This thing is bad. Track's real nice. This was our budget build, so he built it and just found parts as he could afford them, and this is what he's got now, man. A nice truck. So if you guys want to do it, man, you could do it and get it done. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great night.